I want to ask you that would you like to share with me some things for learning English, like how can I improve my English? Can you give me some tips? What did you do?
Yeah, sure, sure. So nowadays I'm not doing anything, but previously how I was doing, I'm sharing to you. It's a very normal thing that you can do. Okay. So do you listen everyday video? Do you watch? Do you listen?
Yes, ma'am. I listen videos and uh, I watch English videos for learning English, and yeah.
So initially, I would recommend you to watch Indian accent or Indian speaker. They speak English fluently. With them you can listen, and don't listen to American and British accent initially. Later, when you will understand everything, then you can shift gradually. First step is simple, then advanced. We have to do so in that way. Now learn and listen every time, and there is a two things we have to listen for: passive and active. Active listening is when you will listen very carefully, very mindfully, you know, carefully
Yep.
listen. Whatever you are listening, half an hour, 1 hour, and try to increase the time. Suppose now you don't want to listen, then you can start with 20 minutes. But you
Okay.
have to listen every day, every single day. 1 month or 2 months, completely see your improvement by listening. So just listen and try to listen your you can say favorite YouTuber. Those who are
Oh,
favorite, yeah. So if you understand them, they are speaking you like, then try to listen them and try to understand how they are speaking, the way they speak. Try to include in your life. You can also apply. So by listening, you can do that, and active listening, as I told you, or passive listening, how you can do. Whenever you're doing any work, just listen English.
yes,
As you
yes.
are working for English now, you are very dedicated for English. That's why I'm sharing to you this thing will be work for you. So first thing, listen active, that is carefully, mindfully, and second, active listening complete. Now passive listening, how you can do, just listen whatever you're doing, like you are cooking, you are walking, you are doing any work, that time you can listen passive listening, and that would be really helpful for your conscious subconscious mind. You are not
Yeah.
listening, you are not understanding topic what they are discussing, but you are listening English language, you are listening English sentences, English words, and English vocabularies or structures, everything you are listening. By consciously you will understand. And you will not understand automatically. After 2 3 months you will be able to speak fluently in their style. And when you are able to start speaking in their style, try to shift in your own style. When you are able to speak properly, when you are expressing yourself properly, you can shift, you can be in your own style and speak with your style, okay, or your accent. And
Yeah.
also by listening you need to focus. Okay, so first you completed listening now in this way, and then you can start watching videos also, how like movies, tvs, whatever you can watch in English. So listening is different and watching is different. So
Yeah.
watching time you will listen also, and you will see whatever they are doing, whatever they are speaking. And watching time you can also read subtitle.
Yeah.
Okay. If you
Yeah.
want to read subtitle, you can read for your pronunciation. If
Yeah.
you read out loud, then you will improve your pronunciation. You will understand that how you are speaking. So for the speaking, practically you can do. And I know that you do audio call. You speak audio, and
Yeah.
nowadays you today you started video call also.
Yeah.
So if you don't do speaking by your own,
Yeah.
alone, so you can do that subtitle with subtitle. Or
Yeah.
if you are interested to read books, then you can start reading books, and you can start reading article also. Whatever you
Yeah.
can see, just read in English. So these things, if you will continue, definitely you will improve. And one, if you are not listening, then think in English. Try to think in English. Don't think in Hindi. Try
Oh,
to think in English. Now your goal is to learn English language. So
yeah.
of course you should think in English. When you are thinking in English, you will able to express yourself. So as much as possible, think. Or if you want to, writing is also vital role here. So
Yeah.
if you write, then also it's great. Whatever happened your day, whole day you spent, and at night you can write something what you felt or what you want to write. So again, thinking will improve. You will think thoughtfully, and you will write English better way, right? So you can
Yeah.
write in this way. So if you will do everything, watching, writing, speaking, reading, listening, thinking, and a little bit grammar which you required in speaking, that's what you need. And just apply practically everything. So of
Yeah.
course you learn in that way. And this is the way. And you have to see continue 1 to 3 months. Now this is about to complete 2024. You have only 3 to 4 months, and in 3 4 months, just you know, give yourself in English, indulge yourself in English. Just make environment for English language. After 3 months, you will see a huge improvement.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for sharing all the these things, which will definitely it will help me a lot. I think, and after 90 days, I will call you again because
Definitely.
I have decided from this time that I will do practices regular basis on regular basis for 90 days, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely, I'll wait for you. And after 90 days, I also want to see your huge improvement.
Thank you. Thank you. And I want to know one thing that, ma'am, this video, will you upload on YouTube also?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. I wanted to, I wanted this, ma'am.
Okay, I will definitely upload your video. And it will be recorded or captured on my YouTube channel that this month you have told. And after 90 days or after maybe November or December, you will come and you can tell about these things. That, ma'am, before 3 months I talked with you and you uploaded and it captured my first conversation. And I
Yeah,
want to talk with you this month on December or whenever you will connect. So you can see my improvement. Like that, you can tell me,
yeah,
right?
ma'am. Definitely.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
you will glad to know, ma'am, that whatever you told me, everything will work for me. Uh, and thank you for everything, ma'am. And thank you for your precious time which you gave me today.
Okay. Thank you so much. It's my pleasure. I'm always here to help. Nowadays, I'm just helping people. And yes, one more thing